Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to set recommendations from X notifications to silent on the X app. If you've been getting alerts that feel distracting or overwhelming, this quick update will help you quiet them down without missing out on the essentials. The process is simple and only takes a few moments, so let's get started. First, go to your phone's main settings. This is where you can manage all the preferences for the apps on your device. Once inside, scroll down and tap on Apps. From here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Go ahead and find X app, then tap on it. This will take you to the app-specific settings where you can adjust permissions, data, and notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. This is where you control all the types of alerts the app is allowed to send you. Within this menu, you'll want to tap on Notification Categories, which gives you a more detailed breakdown of the different types of notifications. Now, search for the option labeled Recommendations from X. This is the setting that controls those suggestion-style notifications that pop up from time to time. Once you tap on it, you'll see more choices. Here's the key step: select Silent. By switching recommendations to silent, you'll still receive them if you want to check later, but they won't make a sound or disturb you when they appear. It's the perfect balance between staying informed and staying distraction-free. That's it. Simple and effective. Whether you're trying to keep your phone quieter during work, study, or just everyday life, adjusting notification categories like this helps you stay in control. You can always revisit these settings and make changes again if you decide you want alerts back with sound. And there you have it, the updated way to set recommendations from X notifications to silent on the